What's up? This is Burton Smith. We are at the Second Nature Lock-In with Toro Skateboards. Lock-In is an all-night party. We have games, best tricks, whatever. It's just hope you don't fall asleep because you might wake up with no eyebrows. The Lock-In's from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. We do it 4 times a year. It's real fun, all the kids enjoy it, and it's good to have these guys come out and skate with all the kids.
Strict skateboarding from downstairs to upstairs, bowl to vert to whatever you want to do. And yeah, that's all it is. You got the young ones over there, you got the pros over here, and you got the man himself, Rodney Torres, the man, the myth, the legend. What are you going to do? So, hope we're going to have a great night.
With a capital G, ball in the beat.
Status Chris Paul or John Paul in the league. Grab a mic till the knuckles will bleed.
Cause I believe the potent and the potent have you.
Geek like speed and rationale is natural with weed. It's all edges and beats. Setting recipe on a permanent speed.
I'm in the world where my princess is player. Ain't she feeling my Vader? And my lore grows greater and greater. Chemtrails dropping poisonous vapor. Had me shaking like Gator. Been trill, nigga, process of data. Blu-ray wave, follow the beta. I DVR for later. Compromise with a G to McRader. You can't define this X, Y, C, Z. It's a generational elitist. Acting cheat and virtual think pieces.
See these written words of weather. Science, brains defiant.
Thoughts heavy, baby, they are major appliance.
Leave a tan when dropping to flyness. Do a giant. Dudes nice, he tight screwed in with some pliers. Cool with some bias. Yeah, nigga, cool with some growers.
Never know tattletales, only I don't know us. Yeah, show me generation, show us what you gon' show us. So listen, mommy, CV, could with a boing. Mouthpiece like coins with a jubilant noise. Dudes rude and as useless as coins. Shoot them boys, versed and rehearsed in the soothing the loins. Talk to Joey, Earl, Kendrick, Cole, gatekeepers afloat. They are extensions of instinctual soul.
He did like, I don't know, it was like a dance or something, like on the vert, and then he like went back in. Then he like went back in or something.
It was like
moving his legs and stuff.
Yeah, it was so sick.
Leo like went to the wall. Well, no, he dropped it from the vert and then like all the way up the Euro gap like so fast. Then he went all the way to like the bricks. It was like so sick how he went like that fast.
It was cool to see Leo do the fast plan off the quarter.